then we will, let's see here. Alright, this can slide up there. Cut there. Got my pieces cut. I just get that one a little bit started. This one, same thing. Washer, this is 1.25 inches, this is 1.5 inches. Slide this up. This is an 1.5 by 1.25 washer. You know, you can put a little bit of pipe dope on here, just right on the inside here. I got everything all tight here. Start with hand tight. Make sure, see it's slightly off. That right where we want it. Make sure this is all slid in further enough for this. Yeah, you told me that.
That's me.
What do you say?
And
And then we'll go ahead and turn these on. Then we fill this up. So at least mid-level, also all the way up, and we dump it.